So here is a log question with logs that have different bases. How do we do this kind of question? So I give you two rules here. So basically, if you have log base A to the power of B of X, then you could just change it to 1 over B log base A X. And if you have log base 1 over A X, you could just change that to A and make it negative, and that becomes negative log base AX. So let's see how we could do this. Now I'm just gonna start rewriting this log base 2, 3. So this rule here says if you have a base that's a fraction, you could just change it to non-fraction and then change the sign from positive to negative. And since here it's negative, it will change to positive, and then I could automatically make that log base 2, 8. And here, this requires a little bit more than steps than going straight to there. But you know, since the bases are 2, so I want to make all the bases 2 here. So the 8, fortunately, I could make it 2 cubed, and I still have the 27. All right. Now, as I said, if you have a b on top of the base as an exponent, then you could change all of that to 1 over b log base ax. So that's what I'm going to do. Log base 2, 3 plus log base 2, 8. And I'm going to change that to 1/3 log base 2, 27. So that's what I did to that 3 right there. So it became 1/3. Now the next step is just to change that to log base 2, 3 plus log base 2, 8 minus log base 2, 27 to the 1/3. Remember, if you have a number in front of the log, you could raise it as an exponent to what you're logging. So 27 to the power of 1/3, that's the same as the cube root of 27. So that's perfect. That gives me 3. So I'm just going to rewrite this. The writing is getting smaller as we go further, just to fit this question in. So that becomes minus log base 2 and cube root of 27, or 27 to the 1/3, just 3. So now the log rule says if I'm adding, I could change this to multiplication, and when minusing is division. So that becomes log base 2 brackets 3 times 8, and minusing means dividing over 3. Now this 3's would cancel, and I get log base 2, 8. A log base 2, 8 is what it's asking you. It's asking you 2 to the power of what equals 8, or 2 raised to what power gives you 8. And you know 2 raised to the power of 3 gives you 8. So the answer here is 3. And that's the answer for this question. So there you go with logs. If you have different bases, you could always try to make the bases the same to be able to solve the question. As always, thanks for watching. Till next time, bye-bye.